The article, How Many Porta Potties Per Person Per Week in Boston, MA, provides a detailed breakdown of how to calculate the ideal number of portable toilets for construction sites, events, and long-term projects in Boston. It explains that OSHA requires 1 toilet per 10 workers during a standard 40-hour week, equating to roughly 200 uses per unit. For events, the ratio depends on attendance and duration. 1 porta potty per 50 to 75 attendees for 4-hour events, and 1 per 35 to 50 for full-day gatherings. Boston's cold climate can reduce efficiency by 15 to 20%, requiring extra units in winter months. The article also emphasizes maintenance, noting that standard servicing should occur every 300 to 500 uses or twice weekly for a 40-person site. For longer projects or multi-day events, ratios shift to 1:8 or even 1.7, with frequent cleanings to ensure compliance and hygiene. Factors such as temperature, event duration, demographics, and alcohol or food service directly impact restroom demand. Sites serving food or alcohol may need up to 60% more units due to increased usage frequency. Different event types have unique needs. Construction sites follow strict OSHA guidelines, while festivals or weddings require ADA-compliant units for accessibility. Boston's dense urban landscape and seasonal weather create additional challenges, including accessibility requirements and temperature fluctuations that affect waste breakdown. Proper planning for maintenance and cleaning is key, with recommended servicing every 2-3 days for busy sites. Advanced monitoring tools like GPS tracking and sensor-based systems help optimize servicing schedules and reduce downtime. The article also highlights comfort and hygiene best practices, recommending hand sanitizer stations, good ventilation, and temperature control to maintain cleanliness and prevent odors. It details ADA requirements, noting that 8 to 20% of total units should be accessible depending on site size. Finally, it answers common questions about Boston's local regulations, confirming that permits are needed for units on public property. OSHA fines apply for insufficient facilities, and rental costs range from $75 to $150 per week, depending on the model. Premium units with sinks or AD compliance cost slightly more. Weekend delivery is available with advanced booking, and renters are responsible for damage beyond normal wear. Overall, the article provides a practical, data-backed guide for determining how many porta potties are needed per person per week in Boston, helping readers plan compliant, efficient, and sanitary operations for any type of project or event.